All right, so we had been wanting a new home for a while, and we actually had signed up to buy a brand new house, and the process was just kind of taking a long time, and setbacks and this and that, and I told my wife we started looking. Like, I'm going to start looking, and if we find something, so the first off is well, JC had we JC had worked with my family before, so we chose him, and he helped us sell our other house. We started looking for different houses, and so I recruited JC. Hey, we want to look for something else, and he helped us find where we're at now, and we put our offer in, and he said he can get us in a couple weeks, 2-3 weeks, and he made it happen.
No, he said 3 weeks. And he said he would do his best.
Yeah.
He said he would do his best, and he certainly did. And here we are.
Yeah, we're really happy.
Yeah.
There was some stuff that we were just nervous about and this and that, but here we are pretty much 3 weeks later.